Insurance refused my $500,000 fire claim, so I sued for bad faith and won treble damages plus the agent's license. My house burned down, a total $500,000 loss. I paid my insurance premiums for 15 years, but when I needed them most, they laughed and denied my claim based on a ridiculous technicality. I sued them for bad faith and didn't just win the money, I made them pay treble damages and cost the adjuster his entire career. My family home was destroyed by an electrical fire. It was a terrifying total loss. We were devastated, but I had full homeowners insurance coverage with a company I'll call Safeguard Insurance. The policy limit was $500,000. I submitted the claim, expecting immediate help. Instead, I got Carl, the claims adjuster. Carl was condescending and manipulative. He spent weeks delaying the process, requesting documents I didn't have and making excuses. Finally, the denial came. The official reason? Failure to adequately clear the gutters, which may have contributed to heat buildup. It was a flimsy, fabricated excuse. They had zero evidence the gutters caused the fire. They just needed a reason to protect their $500,000 profit. They offered a lowball final settlement of $50,000 if I signed a full release. I refused to sign. I knew this wasn't incompetence, it was corruption. I found a lawyer who specialized in insurance bad faith litigation. My lawyer explained that every insurance policy includes an implied covenant of good faith and fair dealing. If an insurer refuses to pay a valid claim without a reasonable basis, they have violated this covenant. That violation is known as insurance bad faith, a serious tort that allows victims to seek massive punitive damages. During the discovery phase, we got access to Safeguard's internal emails regarding my case. We found the smoking gun. Carl had emailed his regional manager saying, "We need to deny this $500K claim before the quarter ends. Dig up any clause, no matter how remote, to justify a full denial." This proved the denial was not based on facts, but on a malicious financial incentive to save corporate profits. We took the case to a jury. We sued for the original policy limit, emotional distress, and punitive damages. The jury saw the arrogance and greed in those emails. The verdict was historic. The jury didn't just award the $500,000 policy limit. Because of the egregious bad faith, the judge allowed the jury to impose treble damages, triple the amount of the original claim. The total judgment against Safeguard Insurance exceeded $2 million. The revenge didn't stop there. My lawyer filed a separate complaint with the State Department of Insurance regarding Carl's unethical practices. Because the jury found the company guilty of bad faith using his direct communication, the department launched an investigation. Carl lost his adjuster's license. He lost his job. He lost his career. Safeguard Insurance got to pay a multi-million-dollar penalty for trying to save $500,000. They learned the hard way that violating the implied promise to protect your clients is far more expensive than honoring the contract. I won $2 million, but I lost my family home. Some of my neighbors feel the judgment was excessive, that punishing the corporation was enough, and I shouldn't have gone after the adjuster's license. Do you think treble damages and the loss of Carl's career was fair justice for the betrayal and bad faith, or did I exploit the law to get rich? Tell me your verdict in the comments.